a website that you absolutely need to know of if you have any interest in repairing your own guitar, have any interest in changing your strings, have any interest in how guitar repair is done, have any interest in crazy strange guitar repairs or crazy strange guitars. It is none other than Frank Ford's frets.com. I had to say that slow. So the website, frets.com, is Frank Ford's compilation of all the different repairs he's done and really a cumulative resource for his repair knowledge. Frank Ford is a repairman at Griffin Stringed Instruments in Palo Alto, California. A fantastic shop. He does amazing work. My buddy Mitch Nelson turned me on to this site way back when I was working back at the Old Town School of Folk Music. And you can go to this site. Basically, you'll run into an index that has all these different categories, and the one that I find the most use out of is the Instrument Owner's Manual section, where it goes through basic maintenance for your guitar, whether you have a nylon string guitar, steel string guitar, slotted head steel string guitar, resonator guitar, whatever the case may be. You can click on it, and it breaks down different sections of how to change your strings, how to install a pickup, how to replace your saddle. I mean, all of his repairs are on there. And the cool thing about this is that he's extremely explicit, and he uses pictures to describe what he's doing. He goes ahead and writes what he's doing. I mean, it's like picture after picture of detailed repair. And really, it's a wonderfully amazing resource that I hope more people know about. Again, that's frets.com. You can spend a good hour on there, and that could even turn into a good 3 hours. There's crazy repairs, how to repair cracks and all sorts of things. I remember even once looking at essentially what happens when you leave a case in your car on a hot day. It's pretty fascinating. Again, there's a ton of pictures. It's just guitar geek eye candy in a major way. Really focused on repair, but also just overall maintenance of your guitar. So please check that out and spend a lot of time there because it's just a wealth of information.